I know that you are very curious to know about the launching of your first email marketing campaign. But before that, be very clear about your marketing objectives. For example, do you want to bring the traffic to your website? Do you want to increase the sale of your company? Do you want to distribute the e-content through emails? Or do you want to acquire the new customer? So if everything is okay, then without wasting much time, let us start with our first email marketing campaign. Go to campaign from Mail Chimp dashboard. It's clear we have not created any campaign yet. To create a new campaign, just click on create campaign. There are so many options to create marketing campaigns like email, ads, landing pages, postcard, social post, and sign up forms. Each has different purposes. I will briefly explain about them at an appropriate time, but first let us create the email marketing campaign. Click email. You can see you have three different options in email marketing campaigns. The first one is regular campaign. It is used to keep your subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting a line of product, or announcing an event. This type of campaign is quite popular among email marketers. Secondly, we have automated campaign. As the name suggests, this type of campaign is automated. You will set few settings and your campaign will run automatically. We have one module on email automation. We will talk about it in detail there. Lastly, we have plain text campaign. It's very simple. You may keep the things simple and personal with text-only email. No images, fancy styling, or embedded hyperlinks are used. Let us create a regular campaign first. Give suitable name to it. Now this is the place from where we will manage our campaign. Before you launch your campaign, you have to make some changes. Let us talk about it. First, we have to field. That simply means to whom you want to send a mail. Just recall, we have already created our audience list. Just select that list. I already discussed that you can create only one audience list up to 2000 subscribers in free version of your mail. You can create more lists in premium version of the Mail Chimp. Next, segment and tag. We have not talked about segment and tags yet. Just select all subscriber in the list. Next, we have personalized to field. This is the place where we can send the personalized mail starting with the subscriber's name. Here we have to set the merge tag. There are many merge tags available in MailChimp to personalize the mail. Here we will use fname merge tag, that means the first name of the subscriber. So, now the mail will go to the subscriber with first name that is mentioned in the audience list. Save it. Our to field is personalized with fname. Next we have from field. It simply means from where the mail is being sent. If you want to change it, you can change both name and mail from the edit from. Let it be default. Next we have subject. We have already set our subject when we set our audience list settings. But still, if you want, you can modify it from the edit subject. Along with the subject line, you can also give the preview text. Now what is the preview text? This is the text which is visible to our subscriber in the inbox just next to the subject line. Let me write the preview text first, then I will show you an example of it. Here you can see in bold text the subject line, and after the hyphen, this is the preview text. It's very important to give an appropriate preview text. It will help in increasing the open rate of your mail, as the subscribers may get little bit more idea about the mail content by reading the preview text. Next we have content or the body of the mail. Click on Design Mail. We again reach to the template section. Do I need to design the template again here? No. We have already designed the template and it should be available in the Save Templates. Yes, our all previously designed templates are available here. Just select the suitable one, press the Next or double click to make last minute changes. If everything is fine, click Save and Close. Our template is added. But there are few warnings with the cross sign. Let us resolve them first. Give link on all media follow icons or delete them if you don't have these platforms. Give the full URL of your website. Save and close. Yes, all issues are resolved and we are ready to launch our campaign. To have the more visibility, you can share your campaign either through direct link or through the social media platforms. I will talk about these platforms in a while. Although we are ready to send the campaign, but it's very important to test the mail before you press the send button. So I will advise you to test 2 to 3 times to avoid any blunder in the mail. Let us test our mail. Just enter your mail ID and press send test. Test mail gone. Open it. Mail is there. Links are working. It has automatically taken footer section data from the database. Very impressive. Notice one thing, we inserted the merge tag, but it's not visible here. Actually, we have to insert the merge tag in the template as well. Let me show you how to insert the merge tag in a template. Go back to Edit Design, add text block at top of the name. Enter any text like hello or dear, and from here insert the merge tag like first name. It is added. Let us retest it. Yes, now it is there. The message will go like this: hello, the first name of the subscriber. If everything looks fine, let us send our mail. You can schedule the mail for future, but this service is available in the premium version of Mail Chimp only. Send now. And your mail will be delivered to 23 subscribers. But I am not sending it right now, so let me save it as the finish later. So this was the process of launching the email marketing campaign. Just design your own marketing campaign using the template designed by you and send it to the audience list that you have just created. Don't forget to insert the merge tag to it. Now the last thing, test and test your mail before you send it. Thank you.